Hello friends, in this video, I will teach you action verbs. Let's get started. Brush, meaning to clean with a brush. Example sentence, I brush my teeth twice a day. Wash, meaning to clean with water and soap. Example sentence, I wash my face every morning. Shower, meaning to wash your body while standing under a spray of water. Example sentence, I take a shower before breakfast. Dress, meaning to put on clothes. Example sentence, I dress quickly to save time. Eat, meaning to consume food. Example sentence, I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. Drink, meaning to consume a liquid. Example sentence, I drink coffee to wake up. Prepare, meaning to get ready. Example sentence, I prepare my lunch before leaving for work. Drive, meaning to operate a vehicle. Example sentence, I drive to work every day. Work, meaning to do a job for payment. Example sentence, I work from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Study, meaning to spend time learning about a subject. Example sentence, I study for 2 hours every evening. Read, meaning to look at and understand written words. Example sentence, I read the newspaper every morning. Write, meaning to put words on paper. Example sentence, I write in my journal every night. Exercise, meaning to engage in physical activity. Example sentence, I exercise at the gym after work, walk, meaning to move on foot at a moderate pace. Example sentence, I walk my dog every evening. Run, meaning to move on foot quickly. Example sentence, I run 3 miles every morning. Shop, meaning to buy things from stores. Example sentence, I shop for groceries on weekends. Clean, meaning to make something free of dirt. Example sentence, I clean the house every Saturday. Rest, meaning to relax and not work. Example sentence, I rest for a while after lunch. Watch, meaning to look at something for a period of time. Example sentence, I watch TV in the evening. Listen, meaning to pay attention to sound. Example sentence, I listen to music while working. Call, meaning to contact someone by phone. Example sentence, I call my parents every weekend. Meet, meaning to come together with someone. Example sentence, I meet friends for lunch. Talk, meaning to speak in order to give information or express ideas. Example sentence, I talk to my coworkers about the project. Plan, meaning to decide on and arrange in advance. Example sentence, I plan my week every Sunday. Help, meaning to make it easier for someone to do something. Example sentence, I help my kids with their homework. Play, meaning to engage in activity for enjoyment. Example sentence, I play soccer on weekends. Relax, meaning to rest and become less tense. Example sentence, I relax by reading a book. Sleep, meaning to rest by closing your eyes and becoming unconscious. Example sentence, I sleep for 8 hours every night. Answer, meaning to respond to a question or situation. Example sentence, I answer emails in the morning. Arrange, meaning to put things in a neat, attractive, or required order. Example sentence, I arrange my schedule every Monday. Visit, meaning to go see someone or something. Example sentence, I visit my grandparents every month. Buy, meaning to acquire something in exchange for money. Example sentence, I buy groceries every week. Sing, meaning to make musical sounds with the voice. Example sentence, I sing in the shower every morning. Dance, meaning to move rhythmically to music. Example sentence, I dance at parties. Travel, meaning to make a journey typically of some length. Example sentence, I traveled to new places during vacations. Teach, meaning to give knowledge or skills to others. Example sentence, I teach math to high school students. Wait, meaning to stay in a place until an expected event happens. Example sentence, I wait for the bus every morning. Cook, meaning to prepare food by heating it. Example sentence, I cook dinner every evening. Stretch, meaning to extend one's limbs or muscles to full length. Example sentence, I stretch after my morning workout. Laugh, meaning to make spontaneous sounds and movements of the face and body that are the instinctive expressions of lively amusement. Example sentence, I laugh at funny jokes. Chat, meaning to talk in a friendly and informal way. Example sentence, I chat with my friends during lunch break. Bathe, meaning to wash oneself in a bath. Example sentence, I bathe my dog every weekend. Nap, meaning to sleep for a short time during the day. Example sentence, I take a nap in the afternoon. Cycle, meaning to ride a bicycle. Example sentence, I cycle to work when the weather is nice. Text, meaning to send a written message via mobile phone. Example sentence, I text my friends to make plans. With a brilliant idea for the project. Meditate, meaning to engage in deep thought or contemplation, often for relaxation. Example sentence, I meditate for 15 minutes every morning. Organize, meaning to arrange systematically, to order. Example sentence, I organize my desk before starting work. Paint, meaning to apply color to a surface using a brush, roller, or spray. Example sentence, I paint pictures in my free time. Recycle, meaning to convert waste into reusable material. Example sentence, I recycle paper, plastic, and glass. Smile, meaning to form one's features into a pleased, kind, or amused expression. Example sentence, I smile when I see my friends. Knit, meaning to make fabric by interlocking loops of yarn with needles. Example sentence, I knit scarves during the winter. Sweep, meaning to clean an area by brushing away dirt or litter. Example sentence, I sweep the kitchen floor after cooking. Feed, meaning to give food to a person or animal. Example sentence, I feed my dog in the morning. Water, meaning to pour or sprinkle water on plants. Example sentence, I water my plants every morning. Bake, meaning to cook food in an oven using dry heat. Example sentence, I bake cookies on weekends. Yawn, meaning to open the mouth wide and inhale deeply due to tiredness or boredom. Example sentence, I yawned several times during the boring lecture. Tie, meaning to fasten or secure with a string or cord. Example sentence, I tie my shoelaces before going out. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.